Are you new to YouTube game? Welcome on board. This video is tailored just for you. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you things you need to put into consideration when uploading your videos on YouTube. They are my tried and tested tips for setting up my channel for success. All these are things you need to do before hitting that upload button. So if you are a beginner, you want to make sure you watch this video to the very end because this setup has helped my channel grow. Hi lovelies! If you are a first time guest, I'm super happy to have you join me here today. I'm Janet Solomon. Welcome to my channel. And to my day one viewers, what can I do without you? Thank you always. Please sit back and I'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. You see, one thing is for you to make videos and upload them. The big question we need to ask ourselves is, are we really doing the right setup? A good setup is actually a way to boost the growth of your channel and make your videos go viral. And that is what I'm going to be showing you here today. So dive into this comprehensive guide on setting up your channel for success with me, perfect for those who are starting from square one. This video covers everything you need to skyrocket your content to a success. Don't forget to subscribe and join the conversation in the comments below. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on my latest upload. So now let's dive into the tutorial.
Okay, the very first thing you want to do is to come to your browser or however you use to upload your video and click on YouTube, and right here when you hover over here, right here you will see where it says create. So click on this and you click on upload video, and this page is going to open. Then select on these files and you go to folder where your project is located. Look for your project, click on it and click on open. So once your project is open, this is the first place you are going to see, and right here is where you are going to put your title. A catchy title for a YouTube video is crucial because it catches attention and it increases click-through rate. It improves searchability and encourages the sharing and set expectation for viewers. So that is why a title is very important. So what I'm going to do now, I already have a title. I will go to where I wrote my title, copy it from my Microsoft Word, come back, I'll clean this one like this and paste it. I mean, this title is very catchy because who doesn't want the videos to go viral on YouTube? So this is very okay. The next thing you want to do is to describe your video. Description is important when you are uploading your video because it provides context and additional information, keywords for search engine optimization, links to related content or social media, and encourages viewers to engage through call to action. The same way, I already have my description already. Before you upload your video, you would have created all these things down. So I'll go to my Microsoft Word again and copy my video description right here. Then I come back here, I paste my description. So after pasting your description, give it a space, and we want to add probably some links. So you will tag it as, I want to add this video link, so I will do video link like this, and I'll copy this link and paste it here. And if you have any other link you want to add, like to promote any of your video, so this is where you will add it. I'm going to copy one of my video link and paste it here. This is the video title and this is the video link. It's good to add links to your video. Excessive linking in description box could flag spamming behavior. So too many links might distract viewers from engaging with the video content itself. So my advice is that you should include only relevant and useful links, focusing on those that enhance viewers' experience and provide additional value to your video content. The next thing you want to do is to add hashtags. Now hashtags is very good to promote your video. YouTube relies on video content, title and hashtag. Overuse can cluster the description and partially distract viewers' experience. So add your hashtag, but don't make it too much. I'll go ahead now and add, let me go and copy my hashtag and I'll paste it right here. So for me, this is okay for now. So after all this, the next thing on our list is to add your thumbnail. I'm going to go now and add my video thumbnail. Let's assume this is my video thumbnail right here. And thumbnail is like the cover of a book. It is the first thing people will see, and to help them decide if they want to watch your video or not. If it's eye-catchy enough and shows what your video is all about, more people are likely to click on it and watch your video. So now that we are done with the thumbnail, the next thing we want to do is right here, playlist. So now select playlist for your video. For mine, I have several playlists here. If you don't have any playlist, you can click here to create a new playlist, and you write the title of your playlist, describe what your playlist is all about, and you click on create. I'm just going to upload this video under this my playlist, and you click on done. The next thing we want to do is to select the audience. Now selecting the audience means who is your content tailored for. If you click on yes, this content is tailored for children, it means you cannot monetize this content. You cannot monetize that particular video. So my advice is that you click on no, it's not made for children, so that your video can be monetized. Scroll down and click on show more. Under here you can see page promotion. If you accept anything of value from a third party to make your video, you must let us know. We'll show viewers a message that tells them your video contains paid promotion. If you have like a video link selling products for someone, you have to let them know that. So by checking this one, you are sending them information that is a paid promotion on this thing. You can see probably like a product placement, sponsorship, or endorsement. But my video doesn't contain any of this. I will leave it unchecked. Now see where they say authored content. Do any of the following describe your content? Make a real person appear to say something they don't say. If your video have something like this, you have to say yes. Authors footage or real event or place. And generate a realistic looking thing that didn't actually occur. That is when you are creating AI. You are using AI to generate some animations or background. If you have something like that, you have to let them know. So you click yes. But if your video did not contain anything like that, you go with no. And right here we can see automatic chapters. Now automatic chapter or key moments make your video easier to watch. Let's assume you are making a tutorial video where you do step 1, step 2, step 3, and from the beginning of the video you have like an introduction. So now this automatic chapter will create the key moments. If you check this, YouTube will automatically create it for you. If you want to create it manually, there is a way to do that. I'm going to make a separate video on how to do that. The next thing is featured places. Probably in the contents of your video, you mention like a restaurant, like a factory, maybe like the name of a shop. So if you click on this allow automatic places, so it helps viewers to explore key places in your videos. They will not show your current location or private information. If you want to read more about that, go ahead and click here and you read more. Now automatic concept is an experiment, though you can see it. This is an experiment from YouTube. So it helps viewers to learn more about unfamiliar terms. Like if you mention one big grammar and your viewers do not understand, so the grammar is going to appear in your description box. So probably they will go and check the meaning themselves or something. So you can allow it. It's an experiment. You don't have to, or you can leave it. It's optional. But at times I do leave it on. So the next thing is tags. Tags can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tag plays a minimal role in helping viewers to find your content. I think this is the explanation of this one is very clear. So if there's anything you misspelled in your video, probably in your video title, your description or something. So this is well explained already, so I don't need to say much about that. So you can decide to add more hashtags. So you can go with this one, with the one we have already, or you can add, it's actually an avenue now for you to add more hashtag to your video instead of putting so many hashtags in the description box. Now moving on to selecting of language and caption certification. Selecting the language when uploading your videos is important because it helps YouTube algorithm understand the content of your video, making it more likely to be recommended to viewers who speak that language. This can increase video reach and engagement among your targeted audience. So you click on it, I'll select English. I do ignore all these ones. Then your recording date, I don't think it's also necessary, but it's optional. If you want to add the day you record this video, of course, go ahead and do that. Then your video location, I don't think this one is very necessary. It's optional. If you want to give all these details out, of course, go ahead and do that. Now, this place is standard YouTube license. You know, like when you watch, particularly on my videos, if you've been watching my videos, you will notice there is a little at the corner like this, you will see a picture of me there. That is the usefulness of this YouTube stand license, which means if you want to use my content, that video is like a permanent watermark on my videos. If you want people to use your content for free, go ahead and click on this creative or common attributes. But for me, I don't want people to use my content for free, so I'll tell YouTube to put like a watermark on it. So I'll use this standard YouTube license. Now the next thing is to allow embedding. This one means that you allow others to embed your video in their site. There are some sites that when you search it online, you will see like YouTube videos on their site. It's also a way of promoting your videos anyway, so you can read more about it. If it's something you are interested in, go ahead and allow it. Then this place is a publish to subscription feed and notify your subscriber. When you publish this video, your subscribers are going to be notified that you just uploaded a new video. So make sure you check this. If you want people to create shorts using the content of your video, you can allow it. You can allow only audio remix, or you don't allow it at all. But for me, I don't want people to use my video or my audio. It's optional. If you want it, you can go ahead and do it. Now the next thing is under this category, they add your video to category so viewers can find it more easily. So you click on this one, then you select the category where your video belongs to. It's about animation, gaming, how to style. That's when you are doing tutorial teaching people how to do something. Select any category that suits your video. Now scroll down again, and here you want to turn on your comments. If you want people to comment under your video, you turn it on. But if you do not want people to comment on your video, turn it off. But for me, I will leave it. Now sorting, allow YouTube to sort your videos. Sorted by, if you want your videos to be sorted by newest, that's on your playlist. YouTube will sort it by your newest video, or it sort it by your top, probably the most viewed one. So under here, you want to show how many viewers like this video. It's very explanatory. Now once we are done, you want to click on this video element. Under this video element, you want to add subtitle. Now adding subtitle to your videos when you are uploading it is important because it helps more people to understand and enjoy your video. And also there are some people who want to watch videos, probably they are in a meeting, they want to watch your video, but then they don't want to use the sound. So by adding subtitle on your videos, it helps them to read what you are saying without playing the actual audio. If we add this now, and since we've selected our language already, we can tell YouTube to automatically add it for us. Or if you have your scripts already, everything you've said in your video, if you have it scripted down already, you can upload it here. Or if you want to type it manually, so you click on this type manually, then you now have to start playing your video and start typing it. But why do you want to do the stress of that when YouTube can automatically generate it for you? So just click on this auto sync and you click on this done. So YouTube is going to automatically generate the caption for you and add it to where necessary. Add an end screen is a way of promoting your other content. Promote related content at the end of your video. So you click on add. So you click on element, then you select video. You can allow YouTube to add your most recent video here, or you allow YouTube to promote your best video, or you choose the video you want to promote yourself. So click on this one. Well, I don't know why this page is not loading. Probably it's my internet. You just select your video and you click on save. Click on elements again. If you want to promote your playlist, click on it, select the playlist you want to promote. What I usually do is to adjust it a bit. So you adjust it again. Click on elements, playlist, add another playlist or video, adjust it. You can add 4, so we have one more space. Click on it, add playlist, then add it and adjust it. So once you are done, click on save. The next thing we want to do is to add cards. So it's also a way of promoting related content during your videos. So like when you have like a small link when your video is playing towards the right, it's always towards the right corner of the video. So you click on add, and they are going to move to where probably during your video you are telling people that, okay, I've made a video on this particular thing, is in my playlist. So this is where you will now promote that video. If it's a video, you click on video. Thank God it's opening now. Then you select the video you want to promote, place it where you mention it in your video. Then you move again. If you want to promote another thing, you can decide to promote your playlist again, like this. Then you move it. I usually promote 4 because we are allowed to place 4. So you promote another thing, you add card again, you promote another video if you want, like this. And once you are done selecting all of them, if you pick any one and you do not want it, if you click here, you can always delete it. You can delete all of them. So now that we are done from here, you want to click on these checks. You can see, we'll check your video for issues that may restrict its visibility, and then you will have the opportunity to fix the issue before publishing your video. So you can see they've checked my video and nothing is found. See, check complete, no issues found. There's no copyright. I did not use anybody's content. Always avoid using people's content. So my video is good to go. Then you move to visibility. Now you want to publish this video to public. I mean, why creating video if you don't want people to see it, except you are just joking? So publish it to public. If you want to schedule when you want this video to be published, you can schedule it here. Once you are done, you click on scheduled. But I don't want to schedule it anytime, so I will click on back. Just read everything and then you click on publish. So basically, these are all the settings you need to do if you want to upload your video. If the video has been uploaded already and you want to do everything we've done so far, how can you do it? So that is the next thing I want to show you now. If you've watched my video this far, please hit that subscribe button to support me and to also encourage me to create more useful content like this. So once you click on publish, this is what is going to show, and you are now going to copy your video link and you share with your friends and share with your family. So now let's assume you want to do some adjustments to the video you've uploaded already due to the knowledge you've gained. So what you are going to do is, once you come to your YouTube channel like this, you want to come to where you can see your picture, click on it, and you come straight down to where you see YouTube Studio, and you click on YouTube Studio because that's the place you can edit or adjust anything you've done already. So once the page is open, you want to click on content, and all your contents are going to show like this. So you click on this thing that is like pencil to edit any video you want to work on. So let's assume you want to change your thumbnail. So when you hover over it, you see this 3 dotted line, click on it and you see change your thumbnail. Then you select another thumbnail from your system and change your thumbnail. If you look at this video, you can see that I do not have subtitle turned on this video. So for me to do that, you have to scroll down to where you see language and caption. So you click on it and you select your language. I'm speaking English, so I will select English. Or probably you did not do all those adjustments. This is where you can do all the necessary adjustments from your title. You can change your title, you can change your description, you can do a lot. Everything you've done in that first one, you can do it here. Now if you forgot to add your end screen, you click on it, end screen. I've done it already, you can see it. I added end screen already. You click on elements and you add it. If you forgot to add your cards, you click on this and you add your cards. I'm not doing that. I've showed you already. It's literally the same thing. And once you are done with all your changes, go ahead and click on this save. Click on save. The new changes you've made on your video is now going to be visible. In conclusion, setting up your YouTube channel for success is not just about uploading videos, it's about strategy. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you will be well on your way to creating content that resonates with your audience and drive growth for your channel. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful YouTube channel. Stay consistent, stay authentic, and most importantly, have fun along the way. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, Subscribe and share this video with your fellow aspiring YouTubers. Together we can elevate our YouTube channel to a new height. Until next time, bye for now.